What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I would like to talk about a brand new feature which Google has added on Gemini, and Google has added this silently without giving us an update detail or anything, and I got to know about this update from one of my friends on X. So let's dive in and take a look at that. Let's go to Gemini, and on Gemini let me tap on this menu here, and here let me tap on my profile, and here let's tap on personal intelligence. We've got three options: memory, connected apps, and instruction for Gemini. Let's tap on connected applications. Here we have got all those applications which are connected to Gemini application. Gemini will go through these applications and fetch the relevant information whenever we seek for it. We've got Google Work Profile, we have search services, Google Photos which was recently added, YouTube, Google Home, and YouTube Music. And here we have Google Business Profile, and we also have Google Play. I have just enabled this. By default this is not enabled. Even this option, Google Business Profile, is also not even enabled by default. You need to go ahead and enable these options if you want these applications to be connected to Gemini, and this is actually very useful. Let me tell you how. This will manage your business profile with Gemini. It will analyze reviews, interpret performance trends, and update your storefront with ease. Now let's say you have got your own business and you have connected it to Google Business Profile. Then you don't really have to go through your business profile to check the reviews or understand the trends and all that. You can just ask Gemini. It will fetch all those information from your Google Business Profile and shares that on Gemini app, which is incredible. And the next one is Google Play. Discover and purchase applications, games, in-app items, and more from Google Play. Now let me show you how this works. Let's go to Gemini, and let's say now I want to search for an application on Google Play Store. I don't really have to go to Google Play Store, tap on search, and enter what I want and search for the applications one by one. I can just ask Gemini to do that job for me. Now let's say I want to search for an all-in-one productivity tools application. Then I can just ask Gemini, give me a few best productivity tools application from Google Play Store. I just send it, and it is connecting to Google Play here, as you can see. And then we have got a brief description about what it contains, and here we go. We've got a few application suggestions here. We can tap on view more in Google Play Store. Now, of course, on Google Play Store also we have Gemini integrated, but having this option on Gemini is just fantastic. Now, this is what Google has added. Let me show you the latest Google app version as well. Let me tap on icon here. You can see it is 17.36.15.v. That's the latest version that we have. So if you have this latest version, you will be able to see those two toggles which will connect the Google Business Profile and Google Play on Gemini. Let me know what you think. And if you're wondering how did I get this dock here, or let's say how did I customize the background for the favorites application, about this I have made a video. It's the brand new home app which is coming to your Galaxy phones on One UI 9. If you missed that video, the card will be there by the end of this video. You can click that card to watch that video. It's a very interesting video. Samsung has added multi-finger gestures for executing actions, and also the customization option for the dock here. Do go ahead and check that video out. And also let me tell you that we have completely revamped our Walrus wallpaper application. It looks gorgeous now, and we have added the depth effect category, the collection as well. You can see depth clock. We have started adding the wallpapers here. Currently we just have 3 of them. I will be adding more very soon. You can open this wallpaper and you can see we have got the clock in the background, and this is the first time we are offering the liquid glass effect here on the clock. If you want solid color, you have got that option as well. You can customize it. You can change the font and the color, and you can also set the clock vertical or horizontal. So there are tons of customization options. Do go ahead and check it out. The link for the application is in the description. And if you like the application, do not forget to rate this 5-star on Play Store. That motivates me to keep working on this application. You will see more and more new wallpapers, new features coming to the app. Do go ahead and rate it 5-star on Play Store. Thanks for watching. Hope you have already subscribed to the channel. Hit that like button if you find this video useful. That's about it. You guys take care and stay safe. Cheers. Bye-bye.